Model, 2006 Citroen Relay 2.2 HDI-TD 1800 long wheelbase, tipper NEDDS clutch still drives. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 141,004. Engine, 2178 cc 2.2 HDIA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, gearbox is perfect, the clutch is slipping. Still drives just about but will need simple clutch replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.